Welcome to solverfy.
Right. When we look at and name these structures, right, the important thing is to count the number of carbons that are in the longest chain and then determine what functional groups are attached. Right. So first we see a 6-carbon chain. A 6-carbon chain, just as a chain, it's an alkane, all single bonded carbons. So that will be a hexane because it has 6 carbons. Right. Next one, we have a 5-carbon chain, which is pentane. And we can see if we number those carbons from 1 to 5, that on that second carbon, there is a methyl group, okay, a CH3 group. So because it's on the second carbon, we would name that 2-methyl pentane. Yeah, that's right, pentane. 5 carbons, all single bonded. Right? The next one looks very similar, but we see that methyl group is over 1 more carbon. So if we number those accordingly, that would be 3-methylpentane. Okay. You'll notice as we write these, there's a dash after the number, but the rest of it is all one word. Right. On the following one, the longest chain that we have is only 4 carbons. Right. So for our 4-carbon chain, we're going to name that butane. And we do have 2 methyl groups coming off of that, both of which are on the same carbon. Okay, so we do indicate that they're both on the second carbon by saying 2,2. And then because there are 2 of them, it'll be dimethyl butane for the 4. Okay. All right, and finally, again, we see that similar. We still have a 4-carbon chain, but one of the methyl groups moved. So we have 2,3 dimethyl butane. Butane. There we go. Okay, so each of these has the same number of total carbons, but because the chain number changes, that's why our name changes.